This is the second part of our lesson, Measures of Central Tendency. And learning objective is summarize data, because in statistics, always you have the raw data initially. We have to organize the data. So here we are going to organize the data using measures of central tendency, which includes mean, median, mode, mid-range, and weighted average. Mean we have discussed in lesson number 1. Today we are going to learn about median. So first of all, I will explain to you what is measure of central tendency. I think everyone knows about the average, right? Measures of average are called the measure of central tendency. You have heard the word average. Average speed of the school zone is 30 kilometers per hour. Suppose average height of the women is 5 feet and 4 inches. So average. So when we measure the average is called the measures of central tendency. So there are different tools you can say, or there are different instruments you can say, we can find out the average. So one is the mean, second is median, mode, mid-range, weighted, mean. So these are the means, or you can say these are the ways, these are the instrument. With the help of these instrument or these tools, we can find out the average, and this is called the measure of central tendency. So median is the midpoint of the data array, midpoint of the data array. So this is the new word, data array, and I will explain to you what does it mean. And the symbol used for median is MD. Whenever you have to calculate the median, at the end you have to write down MD equal to suppose 10 or 20 or whatever. So first of all, always I told you in initially stage we have the data in the form of raw data, and you have to arrange. Suppose we have numbers 1, 5, 28, 100, 62, 82, 92 like this. So you have to arrange in order, right, in ascending order. So we will write down first, then second, then third, and so on. So when you will arrange the data in an order, it is called the data array. Initially it is raw data, but when you arrange in order, it is called the data array. The raw data must be arranged in ascending order or an increasing order, you can say. And when the data is arranged, it is called data array. The median will be a specific value in the data set. If the data is in odd numbers, all will fall between two values if the data set is even, right? So I will explain to you now what does it mean that if the numbers are odd or even. So for suppose we have a raw data, what you have to do in order to calculate the median, arrange the data values in ascending order or increasing order. This is the first point. But this is the first point, right? And second, determine the number of values in the data set. Then we will find out how many values we have in the data set. It should be odd or even, right? If numbers are odd, select the middle data value as the median, while if the numbers are even, find the mean of the two middle values, add them and divide by 2. So these are the 4 steps you have to consider whenever you are going to calculate the median. First you have to arrange data. This is compulsory in case of median, that you have to arrange data in the ascending order, and then you have to find out how many values you have, right? If you have an odd numbers, then your median will be the central value. If you have the even number, then two numbers will come in the middle, then you have to add those numbers and divide it by 2. So we will do some example here. Find the median of the following data set. See, this is the data set. We have 12, 34, 23, 45 and 67, and these are odd data set. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 5 is the odd number. So if you have an odd data set, it is very easy. First of all, you have to arrange in order. I told you, right? 12, ascending order, 23, 34, 45, 67. When we arrange the data in order, it is called the data array, right? This is the raw data. Initially, it is raw data. We cannot find out median from here, right? It is difficult. First of all, in the median, You have to arrange the data in order. When you arrange the data in order, it is called the data array, and then see what is the middle value. 2 here on the right hand side, 2 are here on the left hand side, so only one number is in the middle, so this is the median. Second example is, this is our data and this is the even data. Even means which is divisible by 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are the even numbers. So what is the first step I told you? You have to arrange data in order 12, 23, 34, 56. This is the ascending order. When we arrange the data in order, in ascending order, it is called the data array. See, 2 are here and 2 are here. So these two numbers, if it is even, this is the even set, right? If it is even, then the two numbers will come in the middle. You have to add these numbers, 34 plus 56, which is 90, divided by 2. Why divided by 2? Because these are two numbers. So MD, I told you, it is represented by MD is equal to 45 is the median. So easy. In median, first of all, you have to arrange the data in order, which is called data array. Then if it is the odd number, so the center value or the middle value is your median. If it is an even number, then always there should be two numbers in the middle. You have to add those numbers and then divided by 2, you will get the median. Still, if you have any confusion or any question in median, you can write down in the comment section. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel Sima Academy, and thanks for watching.